Episode 3 of Stuff My Face Fridays. We're getting 10 steak bakes down the gullet. Let's eat. That challenge has beat me. I've done 8 of them. I'm just too bored of the flavour now. But I will be able to finish a donut. Give me another challenge for next Friday. Cheers.